Class Insecta is classified into two subclasses, that is Aterygota and Terygota. Under Aterygota, the insect orders namely Protura, Dipleura, Collembola and Thysanura are included. The subclass Terygota consists of two infraclasses, Paleoptera and Neoptera. Paleoptera lack wing flexing mechanism. The wings articulate with the thorax through humeral and axillary plates that are fused to the wing, and thus the wings are incapable of folding over the abdomen. The wings of Neoptera articulate with the thorax through a set of discrete axillary plates that permit the wing flexing over the abdomen when the insect is at rest. Paleoptera consists of only two orders, that is Epimeroptera and Odonata. All other orders are grouped in Neoptera, and these are further grouped as three separate divisions, that is Polyneoptera, Paraneoptera and Oligoneoptera. Coming to the order Collembola, so collo means glue, embola means a bolt or wedge. So collophore, wedge shaped means it otherwise means collophore. The mouth parts in collembolans are entognathous, principally adapted for biting. The antenna usually is 4 segmented, maximum is 6. The first 3 antennal segments are provided with intrinsic muscles. The compound eyes in collembolans are absent. Abdomen 6 is segmented with 3 pairs of pregenital appendages, that is a ventral tube called collophore on the first minute retinaculum on third and forked springing organ furcula on fourth abdominal segment. The second order is order Protura. These are minute insects with entognathous piercing mouthparts. The antenna and eyes are lacking. Abdomen is 11 segmented with a terminal telson, first 3 with a pair of small appendages called styli. The forelegs are sensory and held above the head. The metamorphosis is slight. It is chiefly evident by an increase in the number of abdominal segments following each molt. The third insect order is Dipleura. Diplurans are small to large, narrow-bodied entognathous insects. Dipleuran antenna is moniliform, many segmented with intrinsic muscles. Coming to the fourth insect order, that is Archaeognatha, it is otherwise called Microcoryphea. Archaeo means old, gnatha means jaws, micro means small, coryphea means head. These insects, that is Archaeognathans, resemble the silverfish of order Thysanura, but are more cylindrical, and they have a somewhat arched thorax, which is large and contagious compound eyes. The body is covered with scales, and the largest members are about 15 millimeters in length. The ocelli are present. Tarsi of the leg is 3 segmented, abdomen with a pair of styli on segment number 2 and segment number 9. The fifth insect order is Zygentoma, otherwise called as Thysanura, which includes silverfish and firebrats. Thysan means bristle or fringe, ura means tail. So, insects with bristly tails are called Thysanurans, or the new name Zygentoma. These are moderate in size and small in some cases. Thysanurans are elongated and somewhat flattened with 3 tail-like appendages at the posterior end of the abdomen. The sixth insect order is Epimeroptera. They include mayflies. Ephemera means short-lived. Pteron means wings. The wings of Epimeroptera are membranous with extensive venation and are held upright like in a butterfly. The hind wings of Epimeroptera are much smaller than the forewings, and they may be vestigial or absent. Second segment of Epimeropteran insects of the thorax is enlarged. Adult Epimeropterans have short flexible antennae, large compound eyes and 3 ocelli. In the males of most species, the eyes are large and front legs are unusually long for locating and grasping the females during mid-air mating or copulation. In some Ephemeropterans, all legs aside from the males, front legs are useless. The sternum of segment 9 in Ephemeroptera forms the subgenital plate. Male Ephemeropterans have a pair of claspers like genital forceps on the distal margin of this plate and a paired penis dorsal to this plate. The abdomen of Epimeroptera is roughly cylindrical with 10 segments and 2 long cerci at the tip. Existence of subimago stage, a brief transitional stage that molds again into a sexually mature adult, otherwise called imago, is also found. The seventh insect order is order Odonata. Odont means tooth, referring to strong mandibles of Odonata. In adults of both dragonflies and damselflies, body is elongate with well developed mandibles. So, both dragonfly and damselflies belong to Odonata. Compound eyes of Odonatans are large and often occupy most of the head, holoptic or dioptic in nature. The Odonatans have 3 ocelli or simple eyes. Antennae are very small and inconspicuous, which are bristle-like. All the 4 wings in Odonata are elongate, many-veined and membranous. The 2 pairs of wings are equal or subequal, similar or dissimilar with pterostigma and well-developed nodus. Legs of Odonatans are relatively long and suited for perching and holding the prey. They are not fit for walking. Abdomen of Odonata is long and slender with 10 visible segments. Cerci are unsegmented. Male axillary genital organs in Odonata is located on second and third abdominal segment. The 8th order of insects is order Plecoptera. Pleco means folded or pliated, ptera means wings. They are commonly called stoneflies. They are medium to small in size. They are somewhat flattened, soft bodied, drab colored insects with elongate setaceous antennae. Stoneflies have got mouth parts which are weak or reduced of the chewing type. Mandibles are normal or vestigial. Wings of Plecopterans are membranous and held flat over the back in repose or when the insect is at rest. The front wings are elongate and rather narrow and usually have cross veins between M and CU1 and between CU1 and CU2. Hind pairs are shorter than front wings with a well developed anal lobe. They are held folded fan-wise when at rest. While at rest, they hold the wings flat over the abdomen. Tarsi of the leg is 3 segmented. Abdomen is usually terminated by long multi-articulate cerci and ovipositor is wanting. They undergo simple metamorphosis and young ones are aquatic with long antennae and elongate cerci. Tracheal finger-like gills along sides of thorax and about the bases of legs are seen. The naiads have 2 claws while mayfly naiads have only 1 claw. Stoneflies or Plecopterans resemble many other orthopteroid orders but could be distinguished by their characteristic wing venation, which is membranous forewings, soft bodied integuments and in having truly aquatic nymphs. The 9th insect order is order Blatodia. Blata refers to cockroach. The body of cockroach is dorsoventrally flattened. It has got chewing and biting mouthparts which are directed downwards. Forewings of cockroach when present usually are modified into a hardened tegmina which are sometimes abbreviated or absent. Hindwings of cockroach is developed and it is membranous. Legs of cockroaches are cursorial, sometimes fossorial. Tarsi of leg is 5 segmented. Male cockroach genitalia are asymmetrical. Female ovipositor is concealed. Cerci in cockroach is one to many segmented. Specialized stridulatory organs are rarely present in cockroach. Eggs of cockroach are contained in a egg case called ootheca, which may be carried externally until hatching or deposited on a substrate or retracted into the uterus or brood sac until parturition. The 10th insect order is order Isoptera. Iso means similar, pteron means wings. They are polymorphic, mandibulate, exopterygotan neopteran insects. Isopterans live in social units composed of limited number of reproductive forms associated with numerous wingless sterile soldiers and workers. Antenna of termites is filiform or moniliform. Wings of termites when present are very similar, elongate, membranous and are held flat over the body at rest. They are capable of being shed by basal fracture, leaving wing base or scale. Tarsi of termites in the leg are usually 4-segmented, cerci are short. External genital organs are rudimentary or lacking. Termites are closely related to Blatodia, that is cockroach, and Mantodia or praying mantids. And cockroaches occur mainly in tropical and subtropical regions. Similarly, termites also occur in tropical and subtropical regions. Termites are the only hemimetabolous insects that exhibits true social behavior with caste polymorphism. The reproductive castes of termites contain a royal pair in a royal chamber, the king and the queen, which are commonly primary reproductives that have lost their wings after founding the colony originally. The king and queen termites, the size may reach 11 centimeter in length, and though these live in a royal chamber. They are fully skeletized individuals derived from alates with wing remnants in the form of small triangular scales and having compound eyes. They are the ones which found or organize or establish a new colony. Supplementary reproductives of termites, otherwise called as neotenics, these develop when king and queen termite die or part of the colony is separated from the parent colony. These are less heavily skeletized and are either with or without any trace of wing elements. They are brachypterans or with a rounded wing bud of variable size or apterous. They have smaller compound eyes or these are eyeless. These develop from nymphs and achieve sexual maturity without reaching fully winged adult stage and without leaving the nest. The sterile castes are soldiers. These are sterile males and females with heavily skeletized and greatly modified heads. They may or may not have compound eyes. There are 4 types of soldiers. Coming to the worker castes of termites, these are sterile males and females, only lightly sclerotized and without special modifications and eyes. Wingless, eyeless, but with well developed mandibles, workers are absent from Mastoterms, Calotermitidae and Termopsidae. Their place being taken by nymphal stages or pseudogates, the large blind apterous forms. The 11th order of insects is order Mantodia. Mantodia means soothsayer or truth sayer. Mandibulate, predaceous, exoterygotan, neopteran insects come under Mantodia. Head of mantids are not covered by pronotum. Forelegs raptorial with large mobile coxae. Pronotum without large descending lateral lobes. Procoxae are greatly lengthened and movably attached to the pterothorax. The wing pads are not reversing. Their specialized auditory and stridulatory organs are absent. Eggs of mantids are enclosed in a ootheca or a special case and pronymphal stage is present. 3 simple eyes or ocelli are present. The 12th insect order is Grilloblatodia. Grillus means cricket, Blata means cockroach. These are apterous mandibulate exoterygote insects. The body is pale, soft, elongate and finely pubescent. It is about 15 to 30 millimeters in length. Antennae are long, 28 to 50 segmented and filiform. All legs are sensorial. Tarsi is 5 segmented, they lack auditory organs. Ovipositor is sword like and strongly projected. Cerci are long and flexible with 5 to 8 segmented. Eyes are reduced, absent, and simple eyes are also absent. Order Grilloblatodia and Zoroptera are absent in India. The 13th order is Mantophasmatodia. Mantis and Phasma similar to the two orders Mantodia and Phasmatodia, hence the name Mantophasmatodia. This is the newest addition to the list of insect orders with only 3 members. The consistently wingless Mantophasmatodia have very uniform body shape which superficially resembles that of certain grasshoppers or stick insects. Body length of Mantophasmatodia ranges between 9 to 24 millimeters. The males are usually being somewhat smaller than females. Basic color of Mantophasmatodia is brown, gray, green or yellow. Antennae of Mantophasmatodia are long and have many segments. The chewing mouthparts are generalized and directed downwards. The tibia of forelegs and middle legs have on their inner surfaces opposing the femora 2 rows of short thorns which render the legs suitable for grasping other insects. In the females, abdominal segments 8 and 9 bear 3 pairs of processes that together form a short ovipositor. The 14th order is order Dermoptera. Derma means skin, ptera means wings. Earwigs are elongate, dorsoventrally flattened, prognathous insects with chewing and biting type of mouthparts. Immature earwigs have fewer antennal segments than do the adults, with segments added at each molt. Forewings are modified into very short leathery tegmina and is devoid of veins. Hindwings are membranous, semicircular and made up of an anal fan with modified radial venation and almost completely folded beneath tegmina when at rest. Tarsi are 3 segmented, legs are short and cursorial, cerci unsegmented and modified into a heavily sclerotized forceps. The 15th insect order is Orthoptera. Ortho means straight, ptera means wings. Orthopterans consist of several well-known insects like grasshoppers, crickets, katydids, mole cricket, tree cricket, locust and others. They may be winged with reduced wings or wingless. The winged forms usually have 4 wings. The forewings are usually elongate, many-veined, somewhat thickened and are called tegmina. In some species, one or both pairs are reduced and pad-like are absent. The body is generally elongate. Antenna consists of several segments, 15 or more, and in some species it is longer than the body. Eggs are laid in soil pads or in plant tissue. Tarsal segments vary from 0 to 4 in the 3 legs. Legs are variously modified for digging, walking, running or jumping. Legs also have sound production organs in some species and sound hearing organs in some others. The 16th insect order is Phasmatodia. Phasma means apparition and ghost-like. These are predominantly tropical insects, remarkable for their close resemblance to foliage or more frequently twigs of plants on which they occur and feed. They do not have hind enlarged femur and they do not jump. There are 3 large apterous or winged phytophagous insects, frequently elongate, cylindrical in form and more rarely leaf-like. They lack tympanum and stridulatory organs. The 17th insect order is Embioptera, which includes web spinners. Embio is lively, ptera means wings. Web spinners, otherwise called as foot spinners, are small, slender, gregarious insects living in silken tunnels. Their antennae are filiform, ocelli are lacking, and head is prognathous with mandibulate chewing mouth parts. Tarsi of Embioptera are 3 segmented. First segment of an anterior pair greatly inflated and having silk glands. Hind-leg femur is greatly enlarged. Females are aterous, males usually with 2 pairs of similar wings. Radius vein greatly is thickened, remaining veins are reduced or vestigial. Abdomen is 10 segmented and bear a pair of 2 segmented cerci, generally asymmetrical in male. 18th order is Zoroptera. Zor means pure, Aptera means wingless. These are minute apterous forms of less than 3 mm length. Alate forms are about 7 mm. They appear like termites and are gregarious. They may be having wings or apterous with 9 segmented moniliform antenna. Wings when present are membranous, forewings are larger than hindwings. The male genitalia of Zoroptera are specialized, sometimes asymmetrical. Some wingless forms have a cephalic fontanelle, and this gland may secrete a pheromone that keeps blind gregarious assemblage together in the dark habitat. Physiologically, this is a very interesting order sharing the character of both Blattioid Arthropteroid group, single segmented cerci, asymmetrical male genitalia on the one hand, and Hemipteroid group, that is concentrated nervous system and reduced Malpighian tubules on the other. The 19th insect order is Socoptera. Soco means rub small, gna means jaw, Ptera means wings. Socids are small or minute, less than 6 mm long, soft bodied with membranous wings held roof like. They are small free living exoterigote Neoptera with large mobile head, Y-shaped suture prominent on the head, ocelli present or absent. Mandibles are asymmetrical, maxilla with 4 segmented palpi. The 20th order is Theraptera. Ther means parasite, Aptera means wings. Exoterigoton Neoptera containing apterous insects living as ectoparasites of birds or mammals. The 21st order of insects is Thysanoptera. Thysanos means fringe, Ptera means wings. These are small, usually slender Exoterigoton Neoptera. Their mouthparts are asymmetrical, rasping and sucking type with right mandible very much reduced or absent. 22nd order is Hemiptera. Hemi means half, pteron means wing. These are Exoterigoton Neoptera with piercing and sucking mouthparts. Their mandibles and maxilla are stylet like and housed in a sheath like labium which does not take part in piercing. The 23rd order Megaloptera. Megalo means large, pteron means wing. Megaloptera are mandibulate, endoterigoton in Neoptera. Mouthparts are not produced into a beak. The 24th insect order is Rapidioptera. Raphis means needle, pteron means wing. They are mandibulate, endoterigoton insects. Their mouthparts are not produced into a beak. 25th order is order Neuroptera. Neuron means nerve-like, pteron means wings. The adults of this order possess 4 membranous wings with the forewing and hindwings about the same size and with many veins. 26th order is Coleoptera. Coleos means sheath, ptera means wings. These are endoterigoton Neoptera with mandibulate mouthparts. Forewings are hardened and not folded. They are rigid elytra which usually meet edge to edge in a straight line when at rest and partly or wholly cover the hindwings and abdomen. The 27th order is Mecoptera. Meco is long, pteron is wing. They are endoterigoton Neoptera, slender, moderately or small sized, usually carnivorous insects with filiform antenna. The 28th order of insects is Siphonoptera. Siphon means tube referring to sucking mouthparts, Aptera means without wings. Coming to other features of Siphonoptera, hind legs are long and adapted for jumping. Larvae are apodous or legless. They are vermiform. Pupa are adventitious and exarate. 29th order is order Diptera. Di means 2, ptera means wings. All dipterans have only one pair of wings, the front wings. Hind wings are reduced to small knobbed or dumbbell shaped structures called altiers, which function as balancing organs or organs of equilibrium. The 30th order is order Trichoptera, caddisflies. Tricho means hairs, Pteron means wings. These are Endotrigota neoptera. They are moth-like insects with long setaceous antennae, and the mandibles are either vestigial or absent. 31st order is order Strepsiptera, which are otherwise called twisted winged parasites. Strepsis means twisted, pteron means wing. They are Endotrigota neoptera with reduced mandible mouthparts. Prothorax is reduced in size and metathorax is very much enlarged. The 32nd order is Lepidoptera. Lepidos means scales, pteron is wing. Body, wings and appendages are covered with broad scales that give them bright and vibrant colors. The last order of insects is Hymenoptera. The name Hymenoptera is derived from the Greek word hymen meaning membrane, ptera means wings. Except in sawflies, base of abdomen is constricted in some distinctly thread-like. Antenna is flagellate, consists of clavus, funicle and ring segments. To summarize this topic, the most important morphological traits of the insects belonging to 33 different orders are presented. The basic morphological and ecological features are discussed order-wise to enable the students to enrich their knowledge on entomology and facilitate the easy identification of insects. Thank you.